Imagine the pleasure of taking your Corsair out for a spin. The warm summer sun, the fields and prairies bathed in golden light, the clear blue sky, and not a sound to be heard except the drone of your engine. Sounds beside that of a solitary engine. Not so long ago, the skies were filled with a different sound, the sounds of explosions, gunfire, and death. Performance of the Corsair left little to be desired. With a now well-established track record and the fact that it had double the horsepower and destructive force of Japan's main fighter, the Zero, there was no denying its value to the Allies. Indeed, with the Corsair traveling at speeds of up to 462 miles per hour, the enemy were lucky to get near it. The Corsair measures in at 41 feet across and 33 feet in length. On the runway, it stands 15 feet high and has a total wing area of 314 square feet. The Corsair can weigh from 9,167 pounds empty to 16,160 pounds fully loaded. The 1st Squadron on Guadalcanal, BMF 124, had established the success of the Corsair. In their tour of duty, they downed 68 Japanese planes against losses of 11 Corsairs and 3 pilots. Fierce tempests, it was necessary for the deck crews to be especially cautious. One missed knot and the Corsair could go overboard. It was still possible to launch the Corsairs in these conditions, but with the reduced visibility from the cockpit, landing would be a hazardous undertaking. In 1945, World War II came to its end. It had been the longest and most destructive war in history. Countless millions had died over the 6 years of conflict, and atrocities beyond belief have been witnessed by the whole world. The contribution made by the Corsair was responsible for huge leaps both in design and engineering, and piloting skills had never been as good. It is little wonder, then, that by the war's end, the future of the Corsair had been secured. Its objective, to be the best fighter in the world, had been achieved and recognized. It had outflown all other aircraft and saved many Allied lives on the ground, on the ocean, and in the skies. The Corsair was indeed a legend, but the last chapter of that legend had not yet been written. No one could have known what was just around the corner. The North Koreans attacked South Korea on June 25, 1950. That event triggered a war in which more than 3 million Koreans died. Around 1 million Chinese were killed, and American casualties numbered 54,246. President Truman immediately appealed to the United Nations to take police action against the unwarranted attack. The dreams of one man were realized more recently. Chance Milton Watt conceived a plane that mounted the biggest engine, the biggest propeller, was faster than any other fighter of its day, and would forever be remembered as the greatest combat aircraft in history. His plane lived up to every expectation and surpassed many. By the end of its production, Watt's plane could fly at speeds of up to 462 miles per hour, and was certainly more powerful than any other fighter. That machine was the Transport F4U Corsair.